Hey everyone, today I will be showing you an insane way of downloading and installing this Candy Crush Saga hack on all mobile and Android mobile devices, guys, including Android and iOS. So with this hack, guys, basically how it works, it's a free offer hack that allows you to get infinite and unlimited amounts of gold, lives, and candies for free in Candy Crush Saga. As you can see, I will be showing you this whole process on the screen recording to the right of me, and I want you to pay very close attention to this video, and I want you to, guys to watch it until the end, because I will be mentioning some very important steps that you guys cannot miss out on. So as you can see on the screen recording, if you can tell, I will be showing you this on my iOS device because I don't have an Android with me, but bear in mind that I will make sure to point out the differences between Android and iOS devices as we go along. So right here you can see, guys, that I have the game opened up, and all of the offers in the hack in the shop are 100% free, and I currently have 8,000 gold to spend on. So as you can see right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy 1,000 gold. I'm gonna click on this little button, and it's gonna ask me if I am sure I want to start adding 1,000 gold to my account. Guys, you only need to click this once. It's just there to ask you if you're sure. So click on OK, and it's gonna start adding 1,000 gold. And as you can see, guys, I now have 9,000 gold added to my account for absolutely free. Now let's say if I wanted more, let's say to go to 10,000 because it's a better number, all I have to do is just click on it again, and it's automatically gonna add the gold. As you can see right there, now I have 10,000 gold in Candy Crush Saga, guys. This game is this hack is basically insane. It works on all mobile devices, and let me go ahead and show you what you guys need to do to get this hack working on your iOS and Android device. So for iOS first, guys, you're gonna want to go ahead and open up your settings. And settings, make sure you click on general. Right here, what you're gonna want to do is click on background app refresh, click on it once more, and in this page, guys, it's super duper easy. All you have to do is enable either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now keep in mind, for you this may be Wi-Fi and cellular data. It will depend on whatever iPhone you are using, but for me it's mobile data, and it won't change a single thing. Just make sure that either one of these two options is turned on. Once you've done that, you can go on and go back to settings, and the next step is go ahead and scroll down until you find battery, and right here in battery, make sure you disable low power mode. So all you have to do, guys, is just make sure the low power mode has been disabled. As you can see in the top right corner, the little icon becomes white when it's disabled and yellow when it's enabled. So just make sure your little battery icon is white, and that's how you know low power mode has been disabled. The last step in settings that I want you guys to do is click on App Store, and right here you can see under mobile data, just make sure that automatic downloads is turned on. Once you've completed all of those steps in settings, you can go ahead and close them. And now for Android, all you have to do is make sure you turn off battery saver mode or ultra battery saving mode. Once you've done that, guys, both Android and iOS users can do this next step together. Go ahead and open up the browser that you guys have installed on your phone, and in the search bar, just go ahead and type in appstove.com. Make sure you spell the site out correctly. That's app, 2 P's, stove, the V.com. Click on next, and right here, it's, as you can see, it's going to take me to this site, where basically this site has a bunch of cool modded versions of games and applications that you can download for free, guys, and have so much fun with them. For now, we're only obviously interested in Candy Crush, so go ahead in the search bar, you're going to want to go ahead and type in Candy Crush Saga, and as you can see, as soon as you type in, it will pop up. Just go ahead and click on install, and right here you can see it's going to say get free unlimited gold, lives, and candies, as I just showed you, guys. So what you want to do once you're on this step is just go ahead and click on download, and as soon as you click on download, it's going to take you to the last and final step, where all you have to do is go ahead and just follow the instructions. Now once you click on download, make sure you read all of the instructions very carefully and just do all of them step by step. And once you've done them, this should take a couple of minutes. It should be very easy. Once you've done all of them, go ahead and restart your phone, and the Candy Crush hack will automatically start downloading on your home screen. So be sure to check out for that. That is all for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to share, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.